Hello. Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. I did a butcher's haul last week and I was preserving it all over the weekend. I took some footage, but I can't remember what footage I took of what, so I'm just going to piece them all together, and if anyone's any questions I'll go through it. I did me butcher's haul. I've got 6 carrier bags full, and I'm going to show you some of what I do with it. It's cost £108. But it's going to go us for about 4 or 5 months, if not longer. The following morning I've got out and washed. I think this is more than I will need for today, but I'd rather have more ready to use than not enough, and I've got to go finding out and sorting them out. So there are the jars. The bones are roasted and then they've been in here slow cooking most of the night. So that will be stock, bone broth for Mason's dog food. In here I've got steak that has been going in my slow cooker most of the night, and I'm waiting for it to cool down, and then I'm going to fry up some kidneys, put them in with them. I've had to move things around a bit in my kitchen, and because I need the space. Gammon, which I think is ham. And there's 4 in each row, 2 rows. 8 gammon, 8 chicken in the wide mouth jars. Thank you very much, Jane. And 5 pints of bone broth. No, not pints, 5 litres. They're litre quart jars of bone broth. The reason I can't put them where I would normally put them is because I've got the dehydrator going with different treats, pig's ears and belly pork skin. They're all for Mason. I've got my mincing machine set up ready for making lamb packets, and there's the ingredients. I just need the breadcrumbs now, so I'll get to it. Now that's what you call a pan of gravy. I'm pressure canning as well, so you can see it, the size of the pan next to me pressure canner. And no, I will not be canning this because it's made with flour. It's going over meals for the freezer if there's any left. Well, I'm going to add onions to it, make a nice onion gravy. Then it's going to go with meals for the freezer. If there's any left, I'm just going to freeze them up and get them out when I need them. 9 jars of mincemeat, ground meat for my American friends. Just taking them out the counter. They're going on the shelves. Got another £3 that I portioned up and I put in the freezer, but these are for the shelves. And it's been a long time, still haven't quite finished, but near enough. Thank you, bye.
It's a